Okay, welcome to week 5. Let's go see how we did on the previous week. So, discussions, grading notes, and we have assignment 2 and journal 4. So, almost everyone did really well on this. I mean, the average score was a 92. That's pretty doggone good. You guys should be congratulated. 25 A's? Yeah, you guys are getting this. Same thing with the journal, 96 with 29 A's. Yeah, hooray, you guys are doing good. So let's just talk about the things that I saw. Do you remember the thing about standard comments being at the top of the program somewhere, right? And make sure you remove the excess vertical spacing when you copy things into Word. Some of this is like a repeat, like you didn't learn that from the first time. And use the numeric input part that I'm recommending, not the stuff that's in the book. Now, some of you guys are ignoring me, and that's okay. Fine, go right ahead. But I only took off 10 points this time. Next time, if you ignore me, it'll be 20 points. And after that, it'll be 30 points. And hey, you guys want to play a game? I can play a game. Okay, I asked specifically that you use a single printf statement at the end. In other words, don't have printf statements inside the cases. Have one at the bottom. That was what I asked you to do. And a printf statement implies the use of format specifiers. That's what it's for. Okay? So, did you do all that? Now, 18 of you actually answered the Easter egg thing that I put in your assignment and are going to get extra points on the next quiz. Woohoo! Okay. So, let's go look at the schedule for what's going on this week. It's normal stuff. So here we are, and so we're in Chapter 5, Quiz 2, and Journal 5. It should be obvious, well, maybe not obvious, but the Assignment 3 has shown up, so you can start looking at it. And, of course, I just now released the Chapter 3 lecture notes, so those things are, Chapter 4 lecture notes, so those guys are now available to you. Okay, so let's go look at the quiz, just to make sure. So we go to assignments, and we're going on here to quiz. Okay, so quiz number 2 is chapters 3 and 4. Not much going on here. Do you guys remember the suggestions that I gave you on how to do well on a quiz? You remember that? Okay, good. All right, because I use my lecture notes to be able to build these things, so it kind of makes sense for you to be looking at the lecture notes at the same time. All right, so that's about it. Let's go look at what the actual videos that we're doing this time. So here we are in week 5, and it's about an hour's worth of video, and that's about it. So you guys are doing great. Keep up the good work, and please do watch the video lectures.